This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we are going to discuss about two drugs. The first drug is Khadira. The one more drug is Kiratatikta. See, the Latin name of Khadira is Acacia catechu, but the newer genus is Senegalia catechu. But for your syllabus, still it is Acacia catechu. Let it be there. Let it be as it is, Acacia catechu. So, this word Acacia, okay, this is a generic name, came from the Greek or a pointed end or a point or a bar. Okay. Then the specific name, that is species name, come from the word kach, which depicts the tanning extract obtained from the hardwood of the plant. So the useful part of Khadira is Khadira Sara. The meaning of Sara is hardwood of the plant. So catechu, kach, or tanning extract obtained from the hardwood of the plant. That's why its Latin name spelled as Acacia catechu. Family is Fabaceae, means it is a older, newer name of Leguminous. Subfamily is Mimosidae. Okay, in English we call it as a Kutch tree. Agraushadhi, Khadira Kushtagdanam. Till today we are practicing or we are using Khadira in the management of various skin diseases, especially in the management of psoriasis, eczema, scabies, Dodru Kushta, all types of Kushta. That's why Charaka Agraushit it is called Khadira Kushtaknana. So Khadira means it is a drug of choice for skin diseases, which regulates the pH of the skin. Okay, if the pH of the skin disturbs, then the patient starts suffering from skin disease. It is the opinion of the experts. That's why Khadira Rishta, one of the famous prescription, Khadira Rishta is considered as best skin tonic. That is especially a pathological skin. Okay, Khadira Rishta is a best tonic for pathological skin. See, in Dashamani, we are having two types of Dashamani, Varna Dashamani and Kushtagna Dashamani. Varna, it is related to skin only. Kushtagna, again, it is related to skin only. But Varna, it is related to healthy skin. Kushtagna, it is related to pathological skin. That's why Varna Dashamani, it is in a broader sense, it is compared with cosmetology. Kushtagna, in a broader sense, it is compared with dermatology. So Charaka highlighted two logies in his Dashamani, that is cosmetology and dermatology, Varna and Kushtagna. So Khadira Rishta, it is considered as a best skin tonic that is of pathological type. Keep it in your mind. So Khadira, whenever Khadira or Khadira prescription, keep it in your mind that it is always prescribed for, maximum time it is always prescribed for skin disease. The properties of Khadira, it is Kashaya Tikta Rasatmaka, Lagu Ruksha Gunatmaka, Sheetavira, Katuvipaka, Pitta Kafar. That's why Apart from, if you go through the definition of Sharangadhara, definition of Sharangadhara of Stambhana, Sharangadhara says Rokshat, Shaityat, Kashayatvat, Lagupakat. All the 4 properties, if you screen, Khadira having all those 4 properties. That's why apart from skin disease, this is a drug of choice for Stambhana effect. That's why in clinical practice we are using Khadira in the management of Srava Pradhana Kushta. Srava Pradhana Kushta means where the discharge, maximum discharge from the wounds. In such type of skin diseases we are prescribed, because it does the stambhana of excessive secretion. That's why Srava Pradhana Kushta Khadira is best prescribed. The parts used are bark, flowers, hardwood, and its extract. Maximum time, Khadira Sara is the usable part. Classical categorization. Charaka considered this drug under Udarda Prashamana Dashamani. See, Charaka in Agraushadhi says Khadira Kushtagnana, but Charaka in Kushtagna Dashamani not highlighted Khadira. Charaka highlighted Khadira in Udarda Prashamana. It is again a type of skin disease only. Then it is considered under Tikta Skanda. So although its rasa is Kashaya rasa, but it is considered under Tikta Skanda. See, Sushruta Sala Saradigana. See, here the Gana is specially designated or specially highlighted depending on usable part of the plants. All the plants of this Gana, if you screen Sala Saradigana of Sushruta, all the plants of this Gana and their usable part is Sara. Here Sara refers to hardwood. Okay, that's why Khadira is one of the drug of Sala Saradigana. Vagbhata mentioned under Asanadigana. See, Vagbhata's Asanadigana and Sushruta's Sala Saradigana both are same, one and the same. So modification. Sushruta's Sala Saradigana is modified as Vagbhata's Asanadigana. So Asanadigana Kashayam best used in the management of diabetes. Okay, maximum Asanadigana Kashaya Dravaza, they are Kashaya Rasatmaka and Shita Viratmaka. They does Mutra Sangrana. So Mutra Sangrana, where you need in the management of Prameha, where the Pratyatma Lakshana of Prameha is Prabhuta Avila Mutrata, polyuria. See, I think you had, or maximum time you unknowingly had Khatira. See, chewing of pan with Khadira, water extract, hardwood of the tree. Okay, जब भी आप पान खाते हो तो पान को कत्ता जो लगाते हैं, that katta is nothing but it is Khadira Sara only. Khadira with lime is a traditional practice since remote past. It also paints lips and mouth due to its reddish brown color in the presence of alkali. जब आपका होठ लाल हो जाते हैं, मुंह लाल हो जाता है, it is because of khadira in your pan or katta in your pan. So khadira is nothing but concentrated. Katta is nothing but it's a concentrated boiling water extract of the hardwood. जब भी आप पान खाने जाते हो तो आप देख लो, आपको एक लाल कलर का पान पे लगाते हैं, that is nothing but khadira. See, coming to the morphological features, it is basically a tree of 3 to 15 meter height. Then it is a thorny. Okay, that's why acacia. The Latin name starts with acacia. Then stem straight and grayish brown. The observation is very important that it is exfoliating into long narrow strips. Exfoliating into long narrow strips, brown and red inside, sometimes leaving rectangular plaques. देखिए एक्सफोलिएटिंग आप आराम से उसके बार को निकाल सकते हैं. दैट्स वाई लोकसाम्य पुरुषवाद, जैसा बार इजीली निकलता है, व्हाट इट डिपिक्ट्स दैट जब आपका स्किन इजीली निकलता है, that is we call it as a one skin condition, ichthyosis. Ichthyosis में स्किन का लेयर आराम से निकलता रहता है. So the presentation of ichthyosis and the presentation of exfoliating bark into long narrow strips which mimics the same. That's why Lokasamya Purushawada, doctrine of signature. That's why we are using Khadira in the management of ichthyosis type of skin manifestation. This is one observation. Then leaves, very important. I will show you the pictures in the next slides. Bipinnately compound, 9 to 30 pairs of pinnae. You know what is a pinnately compound? Pinnately compound leaves, 9 to 30 pairs of pinnae. Pubescent glandular rachis, leaflets 16 to 50 pairs, with a pair of short hooked shaped recurved prickles or spines at the base of rachis. See, this is very important. Yes, thorns are there, but they are in a recurved manner. I will show you the pictures. Inflorescence, the inflorescence, it is called as spike types of inflorescence. Flowers are creamy, whitish or pale yellow. Okay. Then pod, as it is from Leguminaceae family member. So the fruit of Leguminaceae family member always designated or named as pod. So the fruit or the pod of Khadira, it is one chambered legume, glabrous log, 3 to 10 seeded, straight, flat or brown in color with a triangular beak at the apex and shiny and narrow at the base. I will show you the pictures. These are the some peculiarities of fruits. So Leguminaceae family fruits are called as pods. Just see here, bipinnately compound leaves. You just go through the pictures. Bipinnately compound leaves, flowers, then fruits. What the explanation given? Those all explanation you can easily observe in these pictures. You just see the flower, cylindrical, spike type of inflorescence, yellow colored flowers. See, stem, you just observe the stem, exfoliating into long narrow strips, narrow strips, and it is brown in color. Easily, आप easily उसको निकाल सकते हैं. कभी कभी क्या निकालते वक्त it comes in a rectangular shape. See thorns, okay, acacia, thorny, which is recurved in nature. That you can easily observe in this picture. Just go through the fruits. Two types of fruits here pictures shown. One is black acacia. Okay, you just see number of seeds, then its shape. Okay, then it is decent. So fruits of Leguminaceae are called pods. This is a heartwood, which is red in color. जो कत्ता आप बोलते हैं, इसको निकाल के कत्ता बनाते हैं वाटर एक्सट्रैक्ट करके. हार्टवुड ऑफ खदीरा. Some brief details about catechu heartwood. That acacia catechu, its heartwood is light red, turning brownish red to nearly black with age and attached with whitish sapwood. Okay, sapwood and heartwood, two types of two different parts of a stem. The gummy extract of wood is called as katta or kach, which is mostly shining black or brownish mass, hard and brittle and breaks easily, which are where इसको हम boil करके we use as a. Okay. See, recently an important medicine named Ayush KD, it is used for external use, has been prepared from katta of Acacia catechu for application of vaginal infection to mother after childbirth. Okay, see, that's why vaginal infection में हम लोग ज्यादातर खजीरा कषाय परिषेक, योनि परिषेक, पंचवल्कल कषाय परिषेक ऐसे प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं. This is one information already study carried out by CCRS, Government of India, under the Reproductive Child Health Project. Khadira, Bhavaprakash Nigantu, what he said, what are the varga? Khadiraha, Shitalo. Okay, means it is Shita Viratmaka. Dantyaha, good for teeth. Kandu Kasa Aruchi Pranut. Okay, best in the management of Kandu and Kasa. That's why for Kasa we are having best prescription Khadiradivati. Khadiradivati, we ask the patient to chew it regularly for the period of half an hour to 45 minutes to treat repeated throat infection or dry cough phenomenon. Then Tikta Kashayo Medognaha. देखिए, it is called as Medogna. ओके, इसलिए आप ज्यादातर आप ऑब्जर्व करते होंगे जो कत्ता डाल के पान जो ज्यादा खाते हैं उनका हमेशा वेट जरा कम ही रहता है. पान खाने वालों का कत्ता और चूना डाल के जो पान खाते हैं उनका हमेशा, बिकॉज नागवल्ली अगेन इट इज तिक्त कटु रसात्मक. ओके, कत्ता डाल रहे हो, चूना डाल रहे हो और पूग डाल रहे हो. पूग अगेन कषाय रसात्मक. जो पान ज्यादा खाते हैं, स्वीट पान नहीं, रेगुलर पान, दूसरा पान जो ज्यादा खाते हैं, they are maximum time or maximum number of chewers, they are not obese, they are normal weight individual or lean weight individual, because tikta kasha unknowingly they are following medogna treatment. Tikta kashayo medogna krimi and meha. I initially said meha means prameha because it is kashaya rasa shita viratmaka. Does stambhana useful in mutra sangraha, where you can easily encounter pratyatma lakshana of prameha. Jwara uranam, see urana best, rich in tannins are considered as best antiseptic. You can use kadira preparation, kadira kashaya for cleaning the wounds, helps for wound healing. That's a Uranam. Shvitra, this is very important. Khadira Kushtagnanam. Okay. Shvitra is again a type of Kushta only. Okay. आयुर्वेद के ड्रग्स में एक फंडा क्या है, देखिए, श्वित्र इट इज अ हाइपोपिगमेंटेशन, कुष्ठ इट इज हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन. ओके, अगर ऐसे सोचेंगे, सोरियासिस हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन, ल्यूकोडर्मा हाइपोपिगमेंटेशन. अगर आप कंपेरेटिव एक्सप्लेनेशन पे जाएंगे तो, बट खदिरा it is used in kushta, means it is used in hyperpigmentation and it is also used in hypopigmentation. That's why khadira, what is the understanding? Understanding is khadira, it never acts on either hyperpigmentation or hypopigmentation. It only acts on the skin where the quality of skin is deprived or disturbed. So quality of the skin disturbed or destroyed means either, if the quality of destroyed means either it is hyperpigmentation or hypopigmentation. That's why it is the beauty of Ayurvedic drugs, it can be used in hypopigmentation and hyperpigmentation, but the motto of our drug and its section is it improves the skin quality. Once the skin quality is improved, skin comes to normal color. Okay, irrespective of hyper or hypopigmentation. This is the beauty of Ayurvedic drug, which shown by Khadira. Khadira Kushtagna as well as Khadira best used in Shvitra. Then it is used in Shota Pittasra, means Rakta Pitta में भी आप use करते हो. Pandu not in Vataja Pandu, it is in Kapaja Pandu. Kushta, Kafan Haret. So all types of Kapajanana, Kushta, Kafa Pradana Kushta or Kafa Pradana Kadir को use कर सकते हैं. Rasa Tikta Kashaya, so already it is discussed. We have to concentrate on Karma. It is Krimigna, Kushtagna, Medohara. Keep it in your mind. Krimigna, Kushtagna, Medohara. That it is considered Rakta Shodaka. Okay. Then Kapha Pittara and Dante. That's why. If you screen Khadira with respect to Dhatu, Khadira is best for Medo Dhatu and Rakta Dhatu. Khadira is considered as best rasayana for Medo Dhatu and Rakta Dhatu. So Medo Dhatu Dushti Janya Vikara and Rakta Dhatu Dushti Janya Vikar में आप खदीर को use कर सकते हैं. That's why Ayurvedic applications it can be prescribed in Shota, Kushta, Prameya and Prana. That's why it gives a good smell. That पान जो आप खाते हो, that is Durgandha Nashini. It is Krimigna, acts as an antibiotic. Bhuta Nashini, runner opener, Kaphavatara, and decoction of stem bark is used in vaginal. I already highlighted with one research project. Khadira, which cures the meaning of Khadira, that which cures disease and brings stability to body. Rakta Sara. Sara here refers to heartwood. The color of the heartwood is red, or the heartwood and its extract is red in color. Kantaki, the synonym is Kantaki, that it is having thorns. Dantadavana, useful as a toothbrush. Yajna, wood of this tree used in yajna, home and spiritual practice as well. Then Balapatra, having small sized leaves. Then Gayatri, specially used by singers. Okay, these are the some uses of Khadira, that is Dante, Kandugna, Kasagna, Medugna, already we discussed. See, maximum therapeutic uses, as I said, Khadira is best used in all types of dermatological disorders. Recent research says that it can be used in cardiovascular disorders and respiratory practices, especially upper respiratory tract infection. You can use Khadira, Khadiradivati. Then I said that it maintain the pH nature of the skin. Okay, because of maintaining the pH nature of the skin, the skin regain its normal color or improves its natural quality. That I initially said that this is the one updated research, that evaluation of cardiovascular activities of an Ayurvedic preparation, Khadira Rista. Okay, so Khadira Rista is evaluated in cardiovascular activities, as it is Medogna, that's why it is evaluated. Parts used stem bark, heartwood and flowers. Okay, heartwood extract, Khadira Sara, 500 ml to 1 gram per day. See, these are the one Vishishta Yogas, that Khadiradi Gutika for cough. You can ask the patient to go for chewing. Khadira Rista, best for skin diseases. Dashmola Rista, for Shota. Khadira Kashaya, especially for wounds, for external cleaning of wounds or for as a dressing material, dressing substances, intestinal worms and skin disease. Okay, this is something about Khadira. So to take home message for Khadira is Kushtagnana. Khadira is best for skin disease. It is how to identify. It is a tree having a thorn, recurved spines, recurved thorns, cylindrical spike type of inflorescence. Okay, exfoliated stem bark, And hardwood, the best useful part, hardwood, sar, red in color. Okay. Maximum it is used in day-to-day practices. Then you remember one Vishishta Yoga of Kadira, two Vishishta Yoga of Kadira, that is Kadiradi Gutika and Kadirarishta. Okay. Now, come to the next drug, that is Kirata Tikta. Okay. Here two words, Kirata and Tikta. Kirata means Kirata Deshasta Jataha. So Kirata Desha is nothing but Himalayan regions. Himalayan regions are considered as Kirata Desha. Tiktaha. Tikta means highly bitter. So yeah, it is a highly bitter drug which grows in Himalayan range forest or Himalayan regions. That's why it is called as Kirata Tikta. The Latin name is Quercia chiraita. Okay, it's called it as a Kirata. Family is Gentianaceae. Okay, Gentianaceae family. If you categorize classical categorization, Charaka mentioned under Stanya Shodhana Dashamani, then it is also mentioned under Tikta Skanda. When it is said that Tikta, so while prescribing Kirata Tikta, each and every physician should know the कर्मास ऑफ तिक्त रस. तिक्त कर्म रस कर्म को आप जानना चाहिए. जब आप तिक्त रस कर्म जानते हैं तो किरात तिक्त को आप उसके हिसाब से कहाँ भी आप लिख सकते हैं. अगर तिक्त रस के कर्म अगर आपको मालूम नहीं है तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू prescribe kirata tikta in clinical practice. And Sushruta and Vagbhata mentioned this under Aragvada Adigana. Again, Aragvada Adigana, it's Gunakarma. If you screen, it's Gunakarma. It is best used in dermatological disorders, skin related dermatological disorders and gastrointestinal disorders में आरोग्य के द्रव्यों को ज्यादातर प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं. Useful part is Panchanga, but the most potential part is root, Kirata Tikta, Moola. As I said initially, I said that Kirata Tikta, Kirata Desha, Himalaya range, plant grows in Himalayan range, which is bitter in taste. Katu Tiktaha, yes, it is Tikta Rasatmaka and Katu Vipakatmaka. Usually Tikta Rasatmaka drugs are Madhur Vipakatmaka, it is expected by. So that's why it is said Katu Tikta, Tikta Rasatmaka and Katu Vipakatmaka. Then Kanda Tikta. Okay, Kanda refers to stem. So stem has a bitter taste. Bhunimba. Yes, you know something about Nimba. Neem ka ped dekhe ho. It is a tree. But same qualities, same properties, same action, छोटा भूमि में रहने वाला. क्योंकि ये नीम ट्री है, भूमि से थोड़ा ऊपर है. इट इज अ ट्री. भूनिम्ब, small size nimb tree. It is compared with nimba because of its similar actions, properties, etc., etc. But it is small size nimb tree due to its bitter taste. Rasa is tikta rasa, vipaka, katu vipaka, veera, shita veera, guna, lagu, ruksha gunatmaka, dosha, kapha pitta hara. Indication. It is Kirata Tikta is specially indicated in Sannipata Jvara, Kushta, Vrana, Krimi and Kamala. Best practiced in Kamala. And what it denotes? It denotes that Kirata Tikta is a drug of choice for Rasadhatu. Rasadhatu Dushti Janya Vikarna. जैसे मैंने खदीर बोला आपको, खदीर is drug of choice for Rakta Dhatu and Medo Dhatu Dushti Janya Vikara. In the same manner, Kirata Tikta is a drug of choice for Rasa Dhatu Dushti Janya Vikar. So, Rasa Pradoshija Vikar जो है, Rasa Pradoshija Vikar में आप without any hesitation you can prescribe Kirata Tikta preparations. If you go through the morphological characteristics, the morphological characteristics of Kirata Tikta, it is an erect annual branched har. Yes, it is a har. Okay, up to 1.5 meter height. That's why it is called as a Bhunimba, not bigger size. Maximum is 1.5 meter. Okay. The peculiar identification of this Kiratatikta is its stem. See, you just observe it. Stem is cylindrical below, but four angled upwards. नीचे cylindrical रहता है. जैसे जैसे stem बढ़ते जाता है ऊपर, it becomes quadrangular. Four angle means quadrangular upwards. That is the peculiar identification of Kiratatikta. Leaves are broadly lanceolate leaves, opposite leaves, sessile. So lanceolate, opposite sessile leaves. Okay, 10 cm long, acute at the tip, and 5 nerved. These are the one observation you have to concentrate. Flowers are green yellow color, tinged with purple and green or white hairs. These are. But peculiar identification feature of this plant is its stem, where it is cylindrical below and four angled upwards. See, Kiratatikta and Kalamega. In clinical practice, these two drugs are used interchangeably. कालमेघ के जगह आप किरातिक्त यूज कीजिए और किरातिक्त के जगह कालमेघ एंड्रोग्राफिस पेनिकुलेटा बिकॉज हैविंग सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टीज सिमिलर एक्शंस. कुछ लोग क्या है किरातिक्त कालमेघ निम्ब तीनों को इंटरचेंज यूज करते हैं, लेकिन क्लिनिकली मैक्सिमम लोग किरातिक्त के जगह कालमेघ यूज करते हैं, कालमेघ के जगह किरातिक्त यूज करते हैं एज पर द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द ड्रग. The reason behind is same properties and same actions. Coming to the explanation, Bhav Prakasha Kirata Sarako. See, it is Saragunatmaka. Okay. So Saragunatmaka means it is Anulomano Prokta. Sara Anulomano Prokta. So Kirata Tikta अगर आप लेंगे तो it shows a नित्य शोधन effect. नित्य शोधन इफेक्ट दिखाने से इट कैन बी यूज्ड इन बोधोषावस्था कंडीशंस लाइक कोई भी क्रोनिक डिसीजेस रहने दो आप किरातिक्त को यूज कर सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई ज्वर इज कैन से पायरेक्सिया ऑफ अननोन ओरिजिन और रस धातु कोई भी क्रोनिक डिसीज में आपका रस धातु क्षय का फिनोमेना प्रेजेंट रहता है. इसलिए मैंने इनिशियली आपको बोला कि किरातिक्त तिक्त रस कर्म and Kiratatikta, it is a drug of choice for rasa pradoshaja vikara or rasa dhatu dushtijanya vikara. Kirata sarako rukshaha shitalaha means shita viratmaka ko lagu. So it is lagu rukshagnatmaka tikta rasatmaka shita viratmaka saraka sara karma sarako sannipata jara. This is very important. That's why I said pyrexia of unknown origin. सन्निपात ज्वर, any type of ज्वरास other than regular fever से छोड़ के आप डेंगू ले लीजिए, मलेरिया ले लीजिए, टाइफाइड ले लीजिए, कोई भी ज्वर में आप किरातिक्त सन्निपात ज्वर श्वास कफ पित्त अस्त्र दाहन. ओके, दाह में कफ पित्त श्वास में भी आप यूज कर, आप रेस्पिरेटरी इन्फेक्शन में भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट इज प्राणव स्रोतस. Rasava Srotasmula and Pranava Srotasmula are one and the same. That's why Sannipata Jura, Rasa Pradoshaja, Jura is Rasa Pradoshaja Vikara. देखिए नीचे शोथ is Rasa Pradoshaja Vikara. श्वास खास प्राणव स्रोतस विकार. तृष्णा रसा, that's why तृष्णा कुष्ठ ज्वर वरना कृमि प्रनोद. Okay, let it be. The take home message for किरातिक्त is किरातिक्त रसा कर्म आपको जानना है किरातिक्त प्रिस्क्राइब करने से पहले. एंड किरातिक्त इज अ ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस फॉर रस धातु दुष्टि जन्य विकार. देखिए व्हाट शोडन अगेन टू से. ओके, शूलापह बेस्ट फॉर पेन. शूल मीन्स हियर उदर शूल abdominal pain. शूलापह मलध्वंसी. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डिफरेंट मलध्वंसी क्रिमिग्नो बालक प्रिया. देखिए पीडियाट्रिक लिए दिस इज बेस्ट ड्रग. नैपालः सन्निपातारि ज्वर निद्रापः स्तुताः. ओके. भूनिम्बा शीतलो वृक्षो रसे तिक्तो लघु सराह. देखिए सरगुण को वो कंटिन्यूअसली हाईलाइट करते आए हैं हर निघंटु में. किरातको रसे तिक्तो अनुष्ण शीतो लघुस्तुत श्लेष्म पित्त सरसोपति काश तृष्ण ज्वरापह. और ज्वर कॉमन है हर निघंटु में. ज्वर मतलब रस प्रदोष से दुष्टि. See, this is a diagrammatic picture of Swarshya. Okay. देखिए, here you will find opposite leaves, lanceolate leaves, acute tip. Those are all explanation you will have. Then आप closely observe करेंगे तो stem rectangular shape में है. Just observe closely. एक बार लाइव किरातातिक्त देखेंगे तो आपको easy to observe that cylindrical below and rectangular above phenomena आप observe कर सकते हैं. See, chemical composition. This is mostly known for its bitter taste caused by the presence of different chemical constituents. The first one is very important, that amarogensin. Till date, most bitter compound isolated. That most bitter compound isolated till date, it is amarogensin, that is isolated from the drug Kiratatikta. Then Swartirin and Swartimarin, these are the two, but you remember amarogensin. See, विशिष्ट योगास. Nowadays आप कोविड-19 में ज्यादातर आपको सुनने में आता है कि सुदर्शन गणवटी, सुदर्शन चूर्ण. इन सुदर्शन गणवटी ऐसे रस सन्निपात ज्वर. ओके. देखिए सन्निपात ज्वर कोविड-19 आप स्क्रीन करेंगे तो आपको ज्वर के लक्षण भी रहेंगे, प्राण व सोतस के लक्षण भी रहेंगे, खास श्वास ज्वर. ओके. सो किरातिक एक्सप्लेनेशन देखेंगे तो सुदर्शन चूर्ण. ओके. किरातिक as one of the ingredient. Bunimbadikada. Okay. Then किरातिकता चंद्रपावटी में किरातिक रहता है, फलत्रिकादि कषाय, पंचतिक्त कषाय एंड महामंजिष्ठादि कषाय. पंचतिक्त कषाय again फलत्रिकादि कषाय, चंद्रपावटी, these are all prescribed for ज्वर प्रदोष. Research activities. It is considered as best blood sugar lowering activity apart from research. And nowadays it is best anti-carcinogenic activity. It has got anti-carcinogenic activity. And then it has got best hepatoprotective activity. Okay. In clinical practice, maximum jaundice patient treated by this drug only. Okay, again Pandu, Kamala, Jwara, these are all Rasa Pradosha Vikara only. Okay, thank you. Any doubts? Okay, so take home message for Kiratatikta is Kiratatikta is one of the drug prescribed for Jwara, Khasa, Shwasa, means prescribed for Rasa Pradosha Vikara and Pranava Slotas Vikara. And Kiratatikta is considered as best rasayana for Rasa Dhatu और रस धातु दुष्टिजन्य विकार. इसलिए आपको रस प्रदोषज विकार स्क्रीन कीजिए. जो रस प्रदोषज विकार के पेशेंट आते हैं यू सिंपली ट्रीट विथ किरात, इधर सिंगल ड्रग एज किरातातिक्त और ट्रीट विथ किरातातिक्त प्रिपरेशंस. ओके. और यू कैन यूज किरातातिक्त नहीं मिलता है तो आप यू ट्रीट द पेशेंट विथ कालामेगा. कालामेगा स्ट्रॉन्ग बोल के फेमस प्रिपरेशन आ जाता है. कालामेगा स्ट्रॉन्ग, भूनिम्बादि काढ़ा और सुदर्शन गणवटी, सुदर्शन महाकाढ़ा, सुदर्शन काढ़ा, ऐसे. Okay, the important is about its identification. This identification we have to highlight, that is cylindrical below but four-angled quadrangular upwards. Any doubts?
Sir, dosage.
Which dosage?
Kiratatikta.
See, it all depends on Vishishta Yogas. If you are using Churna, Sudarshana Churna, then you have to follow Churna dosage. What is the Churna dosage in Panchaveda Kashaya Kalpana, Vaishesha Kalpana? चूर्ण डोसेज क्या है? चूर्ण डोसेज क्या है? हेलो, वैशेषिक कल्पना में आपको चूर्ण डोसेज, रेगुलर चूर्ण डोसेज क्या है? ख्वात का डोसेज क्या है? वटी का डोसेज क्या है? वही आप फॉलो कीजिए. अगर आप सिंगल ड्रग यूज कर रहे हैं तो, अगर चूर्ण फॉर्म में आकर आप यूज करते हैं तो किरातातिक्त चूर्ण, उसका जो चूर्ण का वैशेषिक कल्पना में जो चूर्ण का डोसेज है वही चूर्ण डोसेज फॉलो करना है. चूर्ण डोसेज क्या है वैशेषिक कल्पना में? बोलिए. हेलो हेलो, गया क्या वो? क्वेश्चन पूछ के भाग के गया क्या?
सर, सुनाई दे रहा है सर?
हाँ, चूर्ण का डोसेज क्या है वैशेषिक कल्पना में? सुनाई दे रहा है?
यस सर.
हाँ,
थोड़ा
चूर्ण का डोसेज बोलिए वैशेषिक कल्पना में.
सर 60 to 120 grams.
60 to 120 ग्राम सर. कौन बोला आपको 60 to 120 ग्राम्स? चूर्ण इतना ले, दिन में 60 ग्राम चूर्ण बोले तो कितना मालूम होता है आपको?
सर सॉरी 60 to 120 mg सर.
नो नो नो, आप एक बार फिर पढ़िए. इट इज सेड दैट वन कर्ष प्रमाण. वन कर्ष मीन्स मैक्सिमम 12 ग्राम्स. ओके, हम क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस में 3 to 6 ग्राम्स यूज करते हैं. ओके, 3 to 6 ग्राम्स यूज करते हैं. मैक्सिमम आप 12 ग्राम तक यूज कर सकते हैं. चूर्ण का जो डोसेज है, क्लासिकल जो डोसेज है वो डोसेज हर ड्रग को फॉलो हो जाएगा. ओके, जो फॉर्म में आप यूज करते हैं उस फॉर्म में आपको उस डोसेज को फॉलो करना है. व्हाट इज द डोसेज ऑफ काढ़ा? ख्वात का डोसेज क्या है? वैशेषिक कल्पना में ख्वात का डोसेज क्या है? वैशेषिक कल्पना में ख्वात का डोसेज क्या है? वैशेषिक कल्पना में हो गया ना, ख्वात हो गया ना आपको? परस, ख्वात, हिम, फांट हो गया कि नहीं? सिलेबस कंप्लीट हुआ है? स्वरस, ख्वात, हिम, फांट, वहां उन्होंने जो डोसेज बोलते हैं क्लासिकल, वही डोसेज हर ड्रग के लिए फॉलो करना है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? 1 to 2 पला बोल के रहेगा, देख लीजिए. 1 to 2 पला मीन्स 48 to 96 ml. चूर्ण 1 कर्ष मीन्स अप टू 12 ग्राम्स. ऐसा एक रूटीन क्लासिकल डोसेज को फॉलो करना है. ओके, एनी डाउट्स?
नो सर.
Okay, any doubts? If you are having any doubts, you just ask me. Otherwise, we will end this class. Doubt नहीं है?
नो सर.
Okay. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.